Building versus buying is a really important consideration for us. I've been CIO for 8 years now. I've had about 18 years of operational experience. Coming from the ops side to the information technology side, I had a lot of self-perform beliefs. I felt strongly that we grow that self-perform ability within our IT department. We'd built a custom application. It had been very successful, but it was something that needed to grow and needed to get better. And looking at Procore, that was a pretty easy decision as we thought about what we wanted to build. Procore has really got a great culture of people that are really looking out for their customers and trying to make a difference in this industry. They've been a pleasure to work with. I haven't met anybody at Procore that I haven't enjoyed spending time with, engaging with, and really wanting to know better. They've got a lot of the same culture values that we have, and those parallels made it really easy. The configurability of Procore was really easy to do. We really were attracted to the idea of shifting what we had built from a custom standpoint that really worked well to us to something that Procore had really done better than we had done ourselves. From an executive leadership team standpoint, from a consistency standpoint, it ensures that our data is consistent. It ensures that our policies and procedures are consistent, and we know that they are doing very similar things across the organization. It helps improve safety, it helps improve quality, and generally just gives us a good feeling that we are building things the way the Brasfield Gorrie wants them built. From a platform standpoint, platform to me is just something you stand on. And so from a Procore standpoint, it is something to stand on, frankly. Previously, we had information scattered across a number of different systems, and putting that all into one place with Procore makes it a lot easier for our business. The fact that everybody's seeing the same thing, accessing the same information, and using it in the same way is really, really important to us, and allows us as leaders to know what's going on quickly without having to do a bunch of customized applications and analysts. From a professional services team standpoint from Procore, it's made our job really easy. They've got a great spirit. They're always there to help. I'll say it's been a very painless rollout. Any implementation that doesn't involve my direct involvement on a regular basis is a really good implementation. Procore's got great people, they've got great culture, and that's the way I describe them to my peers when I get asked about it.